Hello guys, this is Nate Hill from the TechUnion.com video to the topic of programming. This will pretty much be the first video in the programming topic, and it will just pretty much explain what programming is, what it's used for, and what I will be teaching in all these tutorials. So the first question that we must ask is, what is programming? Well, programming is the process of writing code in order to produce computer software. So what is programming used for? Like, how can it help you in life, and what can you do with it? You can use it to make medical software for doctors. You can use it to make games. You can use it to make websites. You can use it to make desktop software like Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, Adobe After Effects. You can use it for mobile applications. Various uses in science. You can program robots with it, and you can make operating systems like Windows or Mac OS X. And it also has hundreds of other uses that I'm not mentioning here. Oops, I exited out. Sorry about that. So how does programming work? So programming works by when you write your code in a language like Java or C++. That's pretty much like a language that the computer can understand, or really somewhat you understand, not really the computer at this point. And you take it through the process of computation, which pretty much when you compile your code in your IDE or you do it manually through a command line, it's processed into assembly code, which is basic CPU instruction sets, and then that is transferred into binary code, zeros and ones. Tried to explain that as basically as I could, but it's kind of a complicated topic. So the things that I will be teaching are various things in programming languages, like how variables work, data types, object-oriented programming, functions, if-else conditional statements, loops, imports, randomness and time, and many more. Just some languages that I'll be teaching. I'll also be teaching some others, but here's a few examples. I'll be teaching Python, which is a good language for beginners, and it's used for making websites, server-side scripting in websites, games, and basic software. And I'll also be doing JavaScript, which is a language to make websites interactive, like when you use websites and you see all the cool features, like the when you hover over things, etc. Also be teaching Java, which is a pretty efficient language, or pretty useful language, I should say. It's used in a lot of things, like Android applications, desktop applications, games, all kinds of things. So that's pretty much some of the stuff I'll be teaching, and I will also be doing another video on algorithms, which is another part in programming that is very important, that helps you get a step-by-step process to find something. Let me give you an example of it right now. So say we want to find the value of, or the sum of x and y. Well, we have to set x equal to 5. And we have to set y equal to 7, so that we have two variables. And then our final step would be to add x and y, and since we know their values, that would be 12. So this video was kind of short. I hope you understand what programming is a little bit more now. and I hope you enjoy the next few tutorials that I'll be putting out. Bye.